Hello everybody and welcome to End Cottage, the home of Soul Bowl. At this time, as the year draws to a close, we can often be tempted to slip into reverie. Perhaps remembering the success or failure of our endeavours throughout the year. Perhaps remembering a family member or friend who passed. But on Thursday the 31st of December, Soul Bowl is inviting you to participate in a sound session for the future. Those of you who have attended our weekends in Maharamore will be familiar with the term Sankalpa. It's a Sanskrit word which can be translated as resolve or will or intent. In the description of this video below, you'll find a simple, clear instruction on how to create and release a Sankalpa or intention. So we are inviting you to do this during our sound session. The session itself will start at 7:30 and will go no further than 8:30. So you will have plenty of time to continue your celebrations into the evening. We look forward to seeing you, and until then, take care of yourself.